Hello Glow Babies! Welcome to your new favorite way to start the day. Today I'm showing you my super easy, soft makeup routine. Perfect for those rushed mornings when you want to look your best, but don't have a ton of time. We all want to look fresh and put together, fast. This routine is designed to help you feel confident and ready to take on anything, even if you only have a few minutes. Start with a clean face. Wash away sleep and pat dry. This step wakes up your skin and gets rid of any oils or residue from the night before. Moisturizer is a must, even for oily skin. Hydrated skin. Smoother makeup. It helps your foundation glide on and keeps your skin happy all day. Next, primer. It smooths your skin and helps makeup last all day. Think of it as your invisible shield against smudges and fading. Use a pea-sized amount, focusing on your T-zone, your forehead, nose, and chin, where makeup tends to wear off first. Your skin will feel silky and prepped in under a minute. It's a tiny step that makes a huge difference. Don't skip primer. It's the secret to a flawless, long-lasting look. Even if you're in a rush, this step is totally worth it. This quick prep sets the stage for everything else. It's like laying the foundation for a masterpiece. You're ready to glow, even on a Monday. No more dull, tired skin, just a fresh, radiant start. Keep your routine simple and efficient. The less you fuss, the more time you have for what matters. The right prep means less time fixing makeup later. You'll spend less time worrying and more time shining. Remember, a good base is everything. Cleanse, moisturize, prime, done. These 3 steps are your morning essentials. Now, let's move on to the fun part, makeup. With your skin prepped, everything else goes on smoother and looks better. This routine is all about speed and confidence. You'll be amazed at how much you can do in just a few minutes. You'll look and feel amazing, no matter how busy your morning is. A little prep goes a long way. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Let's get started and make every morning a glowing success. With your skin prepped and feeling fresh, you're ready for the next step in your routine. Let's even out your complexion and create a smooth, radiant base that still looks like you. Skip heavy foundation. Use a BB cream or a light coverage foundation for a natural, breathable look that lets your skin shine through. BB cream is a multitasker, moisturizer, coverage, and SPF all in one, making it perfect for busy mornings or anyone who loves simplicity. Apply with a damp sponge for a seamless, skin-like finish that melts into your skin, avoiding streaks or patchiness. Start with a small amount and build coverage only where you need it. Think of it as spot treating, not masking. The goal is simple, your skin, but better. Fresh, glowing, and uniquely you. Don't worry about covering every imperfection. Let your real skin show through, freckles and all, for a truly natural effect. If you need extra help, dab on a little concealer under the eyes or on blemishes, blending gently for a flawless finish. Remember, less is more for a fresh, breathable base that feels comfortable all day long. Take a look in the mirror. See how even and radiant you look? That's the magic of a light touch. This base is perfect for work, school, or any day you want to feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. No cakey feeling, just healthy, glowing skin that looks and feels like your own. You're already halfway to a polished look. Quick, easy, and effective. Makeup doesn't have to be complicated. Let's keep that glow going and add a touch of color. Next up, blush for a healthy, natural flush that brings your look to life. Time to add life and color with blush. Cream blush is my go-to for a natural, dewy finish. Smile, tap a little onto the apples of your cheeks, and blend upward. Start light. You can always add more. Choose peachy pinks or soft rose for a healthy, happy glow. Blush instantly makes you look awake and refreshed. Powder blush works too. Just use a fluffy brush and blend well. The key, soft, diffused color with no harsh lines. Blush ties the whole look together in seconds. It's a must, even on your busiest days. You'll look radiant and full of energy. Ready for the next step? Let's do eyes. For eyes, keep it simple and bright. Use a soft, neutral eyeshadow. Think taupe, brown, or champagne. Sweep a matte shade over your lid for subtle definition. Tap a shimmery shade onto the center for a pop of light. No fancy brushes needed. Your finger works great. This makes your eyes look bigger and more awake. Finish with a coat or 2 of mascara on your top lashes. Wiggle the wand at the base, then pull through to the tips. Skip bottom lashes for an even softer look. In just a few minutes, your eyes are defined and sparkling. Simple, quick, and perfect for every day. You're almost done. Let's finish with lips and a confidence boost. Last step, lips. This is where you can really let your personality shine through, even with the simplest routine. Choose a tinted balm, gloss, or sheer lipstick for easy, hydrating color. These options are super forgiving and keep your lips feeling soft all day. Pick a shade close to your natural lip color for a polished look, or try something a little bolder if you're feeling adventurous. Swipe it on, no mirror needed. It's that easy, and you'll look instantly refreshed. These products are perfect for touch-ups throughout the day, whether you're at school, work, or out with friends. Keep your essentials in one bag for a faster routine. That way, you're always ready for a quick refresh on the go. Use multitasking products like BB cream with SPF or cream blush for lips and cheeks. They save time and space, making your routine even simpler. Remember, you don't have to do every step daily, just the ones you love. Your routine should fit your mood and your schedule. This look enhances your natural beauty, not hides it. It's all about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. Makeup should be fun and make you feel confident. Play around, experiment, and enjoy the process. Go out, own your day, and shine. Let your confidence be your best accessory. Less is more. Quick, easy, and beautiful. You don't need a lot to look and feel amazing. You're a glow baby, ready to take on anything. Confidence looks great on you,